Good morning, subscribers. Welcome to the Daily Pre-Market Analysis. I am Brijesh Bhatia. Dow Jones for last 3 weeks have lost nearly 11.5%. Last week we saw another 3% fall. Prior to that, a couple of 4% falls. And the momentum has been, the monthly close has been at the 52-week lows. This is again putting pressure on the global equities, undoubtedly being a father of the equities and been tracked globally. Uh, we saw a Friday Nifty gaining a strong momentum back towards 275 points, over 1.6%. We ended at around 17,064, and with the negative close onto the Dow Jones, SGX indicating a negative opening of over 165 points. So if you look at it, it's trading at around 16,925 levels. What to look at in the current week, I would say, because being a truncated week, we have Wednesday off. So the premium writing, the options premium there could be the very important to watch out over there. So let's start with the Nifty first, looking at the structure over here. Yeah, so we have seen, if I just look at the weekly and look at the daily over here, we have seen a strong comeback right from the previous swings high, which have been discussing 16,750, 16,600 levels tends out to be a very important zone over here. And we saw a strong comeback coming onto the by bulls right at the support area, which is very important. So now the low of 16,750 or probably I would say 16,670 will play a key important support zone for the next leg of momentum. Importantly, if we look at this bullish candle over here, we saw a doji kind of a pattern. After a gap opening, we nearly engulfed that bearish candle and followed by again a bullish engulfing structure over here. So it indicates that the structure seems very promising over here for bulls, especially. And right at the support area, right at the demand area, the bullish engulfing. And remember, candlesticks, especially the two candle pattern onto the Nifty daily, plays a sharp reversal structure. So if I just go through some of the previous, look at the tweezer tops over here, look at the bearish engulfing over here, look at the, I would say the island reversal or probably a twin morning star. Generally, morning star is a three candlestick pattern, but generally when these two candles happen, it is known as twin morning star. So we have seen a reversal coming place. We have seen dark cloud cover over here when the bearish momentum indicated, bullish harami over here where the structure seems reversal. So yes, candlesticks, two candlesticks pattern play a key important role in the reversal structure for the Nifty. Right at around 16,750, I believe we may see a short-term bottom coming in place. If I go on to the hourly chart, very important structure has been forming right at the support area. And if I just let me put over here, yeah. So if I look at the Wyckoff theory, this is the preliminary selling. This was the selling climax which happened where the fast and furious fall was there. We saw the trap coming over here, this ST1 over here, ST2 over here. This was a shakeout which I believe has been very important over here. So this low now, the shakeout or the spring which is known as the bottoming phase, bottoming low of the Wyckoff theory, that seems to be in place. Now if I look at the structure over here, we saw a reversal over coming over here. Now importantly, if I just look at the support area, if I just look at the support area over here, yeah, so 17,068 28 sorry was surpassed. Now this next area where I think demand is can be expected is in lines with the if I just look at, we may see this last point of support and then head higher. So this stands out to be a last point of support LPS for me. So 16,845, 16,830, that zone, probably we can look at 16,838.80, keeping a cushion of 20-25 points plus minus. I believe that could be a good accumulation or good entry level for bulls this week. Again, keeping in mind that 16,700, 16,670 is a support area, so you can keep a stop loss of 16,650 and look for a higher level. Major hurdle over here for this week or probably for this swing change will be the area over here. Let me plot out. So this will be the playing the major hurdle over here, 16,170, 16,300 level, or probably 16,200, 16,300 level plays out to be a very strong resistance zone. Once these levels are taken out, I think we may see the bottom for 2022 as well, at least a swing bottom. And next 3 months, which is October, November, December, the last quarter, we may see much higher levels, 17,300, 330 across and closed. This will be a very much bottoming phase over here, so you should keep a watch on. Coming on to the bank nifty, again bank nifty saw short covering rally onto the Friday after the RBI rate was there. And if you remember, I have posted this chart as well onto the Telegram, where if you look at the previous support, 37,900 has been breached. We saw, if you look at this momentum, we saw a shakeout happening where the momentum went very sharply. With the negative opening 165 point indicated by SGX, I think we may, considering a percent down 400 points, I believe 38,200, 38,000 stands out to be a very important support area for bulls to enter. Now, if I just look at this green line, if you look at this has been the structure of bullish harmonic. Plus, if in case the support area now there will be very important to watch out. So in case with dip over here, 38,000, 38,200, or probably we may see much higher levels coming over here. So again, this will be a resistance area to keep a watch on for the next leg of momentum. The gap area where the gap down continued and the bearish structure happened. So 39,200, 39,500 for this week stands out to be a huge resistance area to watch out. But 38,000 dip, 37,950, 38,200 area stands to be a very important buying zone. Keeping a stop loss of slightly below 37,500 onto the downside and look for 39,000 plus levels in the this week. Again, keeping in mind, being a truncated, we have Wednesday off. So options trader, especially the option buyer, should keep in mind the off day, which will impact your premiums. So that's all into the Nifty and Bank Nifty. Again, I just sum up, 16,820, 16,880 stands out to be a good support area for a day. Look for first 15-20 minutes if the levels sustain. Look for a buying area. And again, these levels are for this week. 16,650 is the stop loss. You should keep at or slightly below that. For a Bank Nifty, 38,200 stands out to be a good buying area. Stop loss of 37,500 and look for 39,200 onto the higher side this week. So that's a trade you should definitely follow. And option buyer, if in case you are looking for an option buying, you can look for a strike, but keep in mind that we may see a premium decay due to the 1 day off. So signing off and have a profitable day.